You are welcome to my first Adobe Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I am going to talk about sky replacement in Photoshop. Using this feature, we can edit photos like this. Let's see how to do it. First, open Adobe Photoshop in your PC. Then create a page. Now drag and drop your picture. Then go to edit and click sky replacement. You can insert a picture of sky using these photos. Then adjust shift edge, fade edge, brightness, temperature, scale. Then click OK. Now you can see it. Then export it. If you like to edit images, this is very useful for you. If you like this video, please comment me. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.